Hi. So today I'll give you some apps. Okay. So I'll share my screen now. So note down these apps. So this will be helpful for you to adding text effects to your projects. Okay. Fine. Let's get back to the thing. So here I need to show you some apps. Okay. Tracer. Yesterday we saw this tracer, right? Tracing an image. So note down these things. Okay. It will be helpful in any point. So this tracer. So you can choose any files and then you can get an outline of this project, outline of that image. Okay. Note down these apps. Okay. And then this text wrap.
Sorry, I didn't get what does the tracer do?
Tracer will trace your image in a color like black and white. Wait a minute, I'll show you. So let me take some elements. Okay. For example, apple. So I'm having this, right? So when I click on this edit option, here I'll see this tracer app. Tracer app is here, right? See, you see this image. If you give any image and then it will trace like a sketch pen if you're tracing, right?
Oh,
Um, okay, it will trace. So I don't have any image right now at the here. Okay,
it
I'll
will
choose this.
just
Trace your image. Yeah, that's it. See, black and white, full color. If you give one like trace image, see it will give this in a black and white, so you can uh, increase the intensity to more, and then you can decrease the intensity of your image. So even if you want to create a color group using Canva, so at the time it will be useful. Okay, so that is tracer. And then mockup 3D mockup, wait, mockup 3D. So if you are presenting any so if you have done any work like app creation or a t-shirt design, so something, if you have designed any banner at the time, you can use this. See, for example, if you have done any poster, so you can use this. So you can place your image here. Okay, wait. So you can increase and decrease the brightness, left and right. It will be like 360-degree of rotation, and like that you can use and show portrait. Add to design. So here it will be here, and then you can place any image over here, right? So this is 3D mockup, or yesterday I showed you, right, other mockups. You can use that as well, but this is a third party app. If you want, you can use it, right? And then typecraft, this is like text effects.
Divya, you were saying about the text wrap.
Sorry.
Text wrap. Text
uh,
wrap.
yeah, yeah, text wrap. See, um so you can type any text here, like, okay. And then the font, whichever the font you like, you can use that. And then angle, so this shadow effects, depth, you can use it like this. Can you see this? These effects. And then you can change the colors, like that you can use it. This is another one app. And then This another one text wrap is there. Wait a minute. See, this is like shape. Okay, if you want this shape or this one, if you want this, and then the types like bend, how much you want it to be bent and decrease. Hit this. See, you have these many options here, right? Text wrap. Okay, got it? Have you noted down all these things? And then image blend. When you're using when you're creating thumbnail image, the image should be, if you place the same rectangle image, that would not be that much attractive. So in that case you can use this image blend. Yeah, see, so I'll choose any image and show you the outcome. The recently used apps and all will be at the bottom, so that's what this is. See, this is an image, right? So now I'm blending it. See, if I'm using this linear, can you see? If there is this line now, if you scroll, move this line wherever you want, you can blend the image as per the needs, right? So I don't want this is radial, like circular form. If you want to minimize, and then if you want to increase the intensity, you can do that. And this is premium one. So if you, these are all third party apps, so if you want, you can subscribe to it and then use it. But the basic blender, you can, for needs, you can use this linear and then radial. Okay, and this is one more app. And then now let's go to video editing. Okay, so in video edit, you need to add transitions and then some effects to it. If you want, you can add elements and more. Okay, so this is one video which has some, it does it has any, no, it doesn't add any transitions to it. Okay, so if you go to homepage, check for video, YouTube intro, for example, let's say no, any Instagram um, video. Let's choose one and then we'll see how they created this video. Okay, I'm choosing this one. See, at the background they added the video, right? And then they added this text, and then at the bottom text, that's it doesn't has much effects. So if you want to add more to it, you have this plus button, right? Click on it, and then you can add some elements like any video, smoky video, let's say something like smoky video, or else anything like nature. Okay, I'm choosing this one. If you click on it and then paste it, it will be like this. And if you want it to be applied for whole background, just increase the sizes, like make it to the full screen. Okay, so this is applied, the video is applied, and you want to add text to above that, right? So go to text, add a text. So this this background is darker, right? So I asked to you, I need to use something brighter to make it readable, so I'm using white color. Okay, any theme, what is this coming soon, stay tuned, what is coming soon, let's say Canva course. This background and this theme, the content I'm writing is not matching, just for teaching purpose I'm using this. Okay, okay, but this is black color, right? Not readable, so I'm changing the color. Fine, But even though it's white color, this is not much readable, right? Now it's readable, but this is too plain. I don't want this. I'm changing the font, that is, which is so bold and brighter. So this one, okay. And I want it to be in the two-line Canva course. I want it in the uppercase. In that case, I'm choosing it uppercase, and then click on it, select this, and then make it as uppercase. Okay, this is center aligned, that's fine. And make it center. If you want to, you don't want to go to position and then make it center. If you just move this text now, you see this red line at the center, so which means this text is placed at the center. Okay, so this is center. And then, so this is like Canva course, so I'm creating it for Canva course, right? So I'm changing the background to the something like steady base background, so learning background. So I want video, right? See, there are so much. And designing background, design background. The only thing you want is patience to search for the perfect backgrounds and then designs. Okay, so I'll choose this, and I'm rotating it, okay, to make it like align with the page background. So I'm deleting this video, and then I'm using this. I'm bringing the, I'm sending it to the back. Okay, now I'm changing this color to the relevant colors of this background. Okay, something like this blue. This is not attractive. Let's go with the brown. Okay, and then some text effects. No. See, something like this. Okay, I'm just creating something like this, and then some other text ready to start your design career. This is like, it has space, right? It's not that much center aligned. Increasing the size, and then, and adding a girl or some person to make it attractive. Removing the background. See, like this, you can think of this in creative way, and then you can use it, and then you can add animation like this. No, not this one. Canva course. And then for this, something like this. And then this person from bottom to top rising. See. Likewise, you can create something. And then Canva logo somewhere you can add.
Can we decrease the speed of the animation?
Yeah, it can be done. See, click on this text, and then you have this option, right? So speed, decrease, increase. This is too slow and this is too fast. Okay, so whichever animation you want to increase and slow, select that text and or that element, and then you can do these things. Okay, so now it's like both, right? So it will be, this animation effect will be applied for at the start and end of the page. If you want, you can see this. Wait, see, this is too long, right? I'll reduce the duration. You can see, right, at the top and bottom, at the start and end, you have this animation. Wait, at the start you got this animation, right? Even at the end you see this animation. So if you don't want at the end, you can just click on enter alone. Okay, now if you see, oops, wait, it will be at the start only, not at the end. Okay, so this is how we can do that. And in between, if you want any animation from one page to another, you'll see. Wait, let's go for YouTube intro. I'll go with this blank. So this is the video editing portal. Okay, that is for simple one line uh, editing page. Actually, this is uh, this is not an exact video editing option. This is for designing purpose, and we are using it for you are making it animation and making it as a video. Okay, this editor options at the bottom, this is not for a video. Okay, but if you see here, this editing part is different. So when you're using InShot, CapCut, so you'll have this kind of bottom, right, to design. So have you all tried with InShot? Any video editing?
No.
No? Okay. So let's see. So I'm using this as one, and then I want another one. Okay. So this is one part. Okay. This is one page. I want one more. At the time, I'll click on this blank, and then if you want to upload anything from the system, you can upload. Or else if you want to add any stock videos from this Canva, you can do that. Okay, or else straight away you can go to elements and then search for any videos, something like nature video. So I want to add this one. Okay, you can add, right? So if you want to decrease or minimize the placements, you can do that. So scroll up. So you have these many options at the text. This and all layers. Okay, you in video you don't want to go to position and then go to layers and all. You can see it over here itself. So if you want to move this text to the one next, you can do that. So those and all you can do that. You can do these options. Fine. So I want this to be at the next page level. So see, the background has been changed with that, right? But this duration is too much, right? So I wanted to minimize this duration. Okay. So if you want this to be overlaid above this lily background, so we'll right click on it and then make it to the overlay. Where is this overlay? So, okay, in mobile you have like make it as overlay. In system, in PC, you can just double click on it and then move upward somewhere else. So in which point you want, you can do that. And then if you want to reduce the transparency, you can reduce it here. See, background lily. So the root is this background, and then sorry, this background is lily, and then you're overlaying this video at the top. If you want to make it as next page, okay, you can drag and drop it at the bottom. So after this thing, this will appear. Fine. And then in between, if you want to add any transitions, so if you point the cursor in between these two, if you want to add any new videos or new photos, you can add. Or else if you want to add transition to these pages, you can just click on it. You can just click on this transition, and then you can use this any transitions you want. either slide, dissolve, circle vibe, and then this color vibe, and then there is a duration. So how long this process, this transition has to be done. Okay, either you can minimize it and increase the duration. So you have these transition effects. If you want to add text over here, you can add the text. Go to text, and then you can add the text. So you can adjust the positions wherever you want. Double click on it and then move the text wherever you want. You can place it. And then this background is like if the font is not visible, right? You can change the color. Okay. And then I want some border designs to be done. So in that case, go to elements, the same process. Border designs, floral border designs maybe. Okay. This is as an example I'm saying. Okay. So I want it to be in a white color. Okay, I'm duplicating it and then flipping. Okay, likewise it can be done. So this is not brighter, right? Yeah, I'm sure. So just as an example, I'm choosing this. You can choose whatever you want. Okay, or else lines, design line, border lines. So, see this one. Top and bottom, we can use it. We have two color options. So for this, something like pink doesn't work. Okay, white. Okay, so likewise you can use elements, text, and everything at the videos, and make sure these alignments are in the correct position. Okay, you can change the alignments wherever you want. So I want this text to be appear. Wait.
One question, ma'am.
Yeah.
If I duplicate this border and I
Okay.
want it on the opposite side, but
Hmm.
with the same alignment, how do I do that?
Same alignment means.
On the like there is a border on the left
Okay.
side, the upper
Left side.
side.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
one.
I want that same border on
Okay.
the right side
Okay.
on the same angle,
Same angle.
like
Uh,
flip it.
Flip it. Okay. Like this.
So how to align? Yeah. Okay.
You see this milder lines, dotted lines.
Yeah.
Can you see this?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that shows the alignments. See, if you place it here, that alignments won't be there. So if there are three lines from this, see this element has three lines at the top, middle, and then bottom, right? And likewise, this bottom right corner, right bottom element is there now. That has three lines. See, all are aligned with each other. Can you see this?
What?
That's what you're asking, right?
Right. Right.
Yeah. So likewise, you can place it. But if you see, there is much gap between this two and then this right left side uh,
Yeah. More
border,
gap.
and then yeah, there is more gap and this is lighter gap. So in that case, you can select both and then move it to the thing. So you have the border if you want. See, you see the border, this rectangle border is there now. Can you
Yeah.
see this? So that would be one of the measuring points you can use. Else, yesterday I told you now, there is a ruler. Go to settings, files, settings, and then show rulers and guides. So you can use this for aligning purpose. So exactly the same space that you are using. See, this is like 5 centimeter, how much 0 to 100 this gap is there na. So the exact gap you can use it for this line, this side of the border. Okay, you can use
Yeah.
this ruler to make sure the alignments are in the right spaces, with right spaces.
Where do we go? Settings and
Files, and then settings, show rulers and guides.
okay. Okay.
So if you want to place anything, if you want to place a guide, you can use this at the border. And if you want, so this is here, and if you want it from here, so you can use this guides and all. So wherever you want, you can place it to make sure this is in the alignment manner. Okay, you can create a borders like this. Okay, understood? These lines will help
Yes,
you
yes.
to make sure this line is aligned or not at
Okay.
the top and bottom. Okay, so this how you can add elements and text over the videos. And then if you want to add some more videos, you can add like using this plus symbol. And then if you want to add a overlay, you can make add it at the top of the layers. And then if you want to add effects, you can add effects here. Fine. And then so now I want some videos for digital marketing from the templates we are going to take. Okay, digital marketing video. Let's see this. See, no face videos, like, right? You can either upload your videos here, and then you can create videos from the like your videos, or else you can use faceless videos. If you want to create a faceless videos, you can use like this. See, they gave the background, some background, aesthetic background, and then they just added the text over the overlaid with the text with different colors to make it attractive, right? And then added a background. So likewise, you can create whatever you want. So any doubt with this video creation? See, for with Canva, we can only deliver you like how you can use Canva. But all this video creation, poster creation, and everything is should be come from your mind, right? It's a creative process. We can't teach you the creativity, right? It has to be come from your mind, right? So we can let you know how to use this tool, even if you are going to like Adobe, right? Adobe Photoshop or video editing course, they'll teach you the tools. That's all. And you have to use your creativity, and then you should create your designs. Okay. So for that purpose, so with Canva, yesterday we created a post, and now I we we showed you like how to create a video. This is about video. Okay, so just you want whatever the like root background you want, you can choose it, and overlay text elements you can choose it, and then you can create a video. And if you want to add an audio, how to add an audio? So you have the options for audios. Either you can upload an audios from the device if you want, or else you have the audio options here. See, audios, right? Click on audios, and then you search for any soft background music, or else any that clicking sound, mouse click sound. In between the Instagram reels, you'll see this mouse clicking sounds, right? Or camera clicking sounds, page swipe. So these sounds will be there. So if you want, you can use it anywhere, or else relaxing audio, relaxing piano. So these are all there. So if you want anything, you can use it, or corporate audios. So any promotion, you can use that. See, these are all like corporate audios, which is for promotional purpose. You can use it at the background. For audios, you can increase and decrease the sounds. See, wait a minute. See, click on this audio. Okay. And then some beat sync. So if you are placing too many slides of videos, and if you want this video to be syncing with this audio beats, it will be helpful. And then slip. So fade is like a fade in. So if you at the initial, if the audio is too bright, like too soundy, and if you want to make it like smoothly increasing audio, you can use increase and decrease the fade in fade out options. At the end, it will be like sound will be like minimizing sound. Okay, so for that purpose you can use this. And if you want this video or audio to be split, and if you want to split this audio video, see, for example, I want this video to be split at this point, 8.3 seconds. So click on split. See, this video is separate now. See, this is separate one. Okay, this is split option. And then what else? So if you want to edit this video, you can edit it. You can remove the background for the video. This is premium. Okay, and if the video is too lengthy na, so if you this Canva AI, it will do like it will pick out the highlighted portions alone. See, I could I chose this video, and then if you want like highlight, this is too low, 4.2 seconds. Wait a minute. So I am choosing this video. Okay, so this video, I want this is same kind of video, right? See, for example, I choose this one. I choose this one. Okay, this is too lengthy video, right? 44 seconds. Okay, so now I'm clicking on edit option, and then I'm choosing highlights. So it will give the highlighted portions alone. See, it's split and it shows only the highlighted options, right? I pausing it. See, beach headstand begin, and then perfecting the pose, fun on the stand. It recognizing your video, and then it's splitting out the important portions alone. So whichever the portion you want, you can choose that. Click on it, and then I want first and last alone. So I click on this too, and then add to the selection. So that alone will be selected here. So you don't want to see the entire video, and then you want to split and edit. You can just click on edit and then show the highlights. The highlighted portions will be there, and then you can choose that. Okay, it will minimize your editing duration. Okay, so this is one option. And then another one, go to edits again. What else is there? As we seen yesterday, the filters are there, and then video upscaler. So if your videos are in bad quality and you want to make it like HD, so in that case you can use this video upscaler, video reverser. These are all apps. Okay, so if you want to add a subtitle, you can use this. And then video reverser, if you want to reverse your video, you can use this video reverser. Face blurring, so cartooning the video. So these are all you can apps. Okay, you can use it, you can explore after the class. And then video speed, if you want to increase and decrease the video speed, you can do that. Okay, and then transitions, if you want, what transition you want to add this particular page, not like from one page to another, in between there is one transition. This is not that one. This is like this page alone, this video alone, this transition works. Okay, see, background is white, right? So this transition applies only for this video, not for one page to another. Got it? So this is one thing. And then for video also, you can remove the background. Audio tools, you can, if this video has the background, right? If you want to extract the audio, you can extract the audio separately. See, I'm extracting this video's audio is extracted now. Okay, and if you want to enhance the voice, this is premium one. If you want, you can enhance the voice. So there are these many options, and increasing and decreasing the sound, the speed of the video. We have this option at the edit also, or else you can also increase and decrease the speed of the video here. And if you want to crop anything, you can do that. If you want to crop, you can do that. Okay, and then flip any way you can flip. Transparency, if you want to decrease the transparency, you can do that, right? So these are all the options that are
Can we remove any subject like the red man standing there? If I want to remove that specific person, is there any tool?
Yeah, we have this option. Wait, um
Object remover?
yeah, we have that option, but not here. Wait, actually it's a new feature in 1 month before it came. Actually, this particular eraser, which we call it as pixel eraser, right? So it has that option, but I think here it's not updated, I guess. But that is an option. Particularly, we can't erase this one person from the video, but we can erase like it will be like black white space if you erase. Okay, let's take this image. Eraser is there now. So magic eraser, pixel eraser. Okay, I'm choosing this plate alone. Okay, so yesterday I showed you this magic eraser, right? So wherever you want, you can just brush out that part and then you can erase it, right? uh and then click. If you want, you can click it and then you can erase it. Like it specify this whole pizza plate. Okay, so okay, I'm clicking it and then I'm erasing it. See, this is how it looks when you erase it. Okay, this is how it works. And then and then erase. Pixel eraser means you want to erase out everything from one. This is one more option. Okay, if you want to restore, you can restore it. Okay, and so this is how it works. The erasing option, we have only these kind of options. If you want to like create a so if you have one picture and you want to extend that picture to some extent, so that we have, for that we have the, I choose this one. And then I want to remove this top hanger now. I want to remove this. For that case, magic eraser, and then click. It showed this fan. Okay, I want to remove this, erase. So it got erased. So for this kind of things, you can use this erasers and all. But if you want to remove in a video, you can't remove it. We don't have that option for now. And in future, they may introduce this thing. And then it won't like 100% perfect when you use this erasers and all. Okay. For somehow, for pictures, it will like create some backgrounds on its own. Yeah, that's how it works when it comes to Canva AI here. Okay, so when you describe something, today I created this, see, Men's Day post. Okay, so today is Men's Day. I wish you all the men's happy Men's Day. So today I created this post using Canva AI. Okay, so I gave this prompt. Okay, create Men's Day post for Instagram saying happy Men's Day. Okay, so I gave this prompt and it created these many. So I chose, for example, let's say I chose this one. You can edit this. You can edit this in Canva editor. And now here, I don't want this background. I want to change the background. Okay, in that case, I'm going to edit. I'm deleting this background, or else you can even ask Canva to make an image or generate a text. Whatever you want, you can do that. Okay, so there will be another one option like magic PG, like magic background. Okay, so I want, so it's
So
automatically
if I
created.
want to remove the background without using the AI, I'll have to go to the layers and then
Yeah,
remove it.
you can just click on this. Wait a minute, it's loading, so not working. If
Ma'am,
you
for
want to remove this
remove,
background, just click on this background and then you have this delete button, right? You can delete it.
ma'am, for removing background, we can also use the background remover also, no, ma'am?
Yes, you can use, but for this purpose, yeah, you can use that as well. But this is premium version.
Okay,
Sorry,
ma'am.
so this is premium one. If you have the premium access, you can do that, but no need for that, right? So see, when the background so see, in this, which you'll assign as a background, this tone seems to be in the front, right? Background means this gray line and then this lightly yellowish like sandal background. That only it will consider as a background. So you can just delete the background at once, right? Instead of doing that background remover, you can
One
delete
minute,
this.
how did we remove the background? Because that magic BG is paid, right?
Yeah, you can just click on this image
Yeah, okay.
and then go to delete. That's it. This is
Oh,
background. It has some image. That's it. If you don't want this, just click on it and then delete it. manually had the element. You have to give the prompt as per your needs. You don't want so many elements. I want only one man to stand there, for example. See, it automatically creates some prompt, right? So I want, sorry, man with, see, it created this one. You have these many options. It gave you these many options. So if you don't want this background again, you can delete it, and or else you can manually add the background to this also. You have this option. So this is the Canva AI can do.
So can we also create a video?
Yeah, we can, but that's a premium version. Canva AI. So you can create, we created that one is a design. Okay, if you want image also you can create, but this image cannot be edited for the one time image creation. You can do that. If you want to create any document, you can do that. If you want to create a code, you can do that. Video clips, you can do that, but this is the premium version. So video clips, the style you want, the format, like cinematic, photographic, 3D render, animated, cartoonified. So whatever the theme you type you want, you can choose that. And then size of the videos. So this is like coming soon. This is not updated. So only we have this size ratio. And then add sound if you want. Add sound, no sound, framing. So how you want, lightning. So if you choose these filters and then if you give your prompt, you can create a video as well.
Okay,
Yeah,
bye,
thank
ma'am.
you. Yeah, bye bye.